We have been here for a long time without any assistance from the local authorities. But at least where we have reached, we are indeed very happy. And we are indeed very, very happy because now we have easy transport means bringing sand from Kibbali, Kikara, it has been very expensive. You have to pass via Buyanja to come to Kikara village.
Bridge connects to so many other areas, including Champwas, including this bridge we are seeing here. It connects so many people and so many villages. So to me, I'm happy that today we have done it. And of course, we're getting resources from friends who have been kind enough to support us, because our people cannot be very productive when the roads they are using are unmotorable.
The road has been very bad, disturbing our people who die. But now we have seen that we have helped us and repair our road.
And for us, they have just put some little to add on this road, and we want to thank the people who has just given the contribution for this road, and we want to thank all of them who has put something for us.